Take a ride in the 2021 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.